Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
It's Jessica here, and welcome to my latest walking tour of the beautiful beaches of Nazare, Portugal. If you're anything like me, then you absolutely love exploring new and exciting destinations, and Nazare is definitely no exception. This quaint fishing town is located on the western coast of Portugal and is known for its stunning beaches and dramatic cliffs. So let's get started with our walking tour. We begin our journey at the famous Praia do Norte beach, known for its massive waves that attract surfers from all over the world. As we walk along the golden sands and take in the breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, you can almost feel the power of the waves crashing against the shore.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Next, we head over to the picturesque Praia da Nazare beach, which is located in the heart of the town. Here, we can see the traditional brightly colored fishing boats that are still used by local fishermen today. As always, don't forget to click that like button and leave a comment below telling me your favorite part of the tour. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!